Good afternoon, boys and girls at home, and good afternoon, boys and girls in class 1. Today we are learning a new number, but what do we need to do before we learn a new number? Recap the numbers we already know. Let's go, go, go! 6, 8, 11, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 2, 5, 4, 0, 1, 3. Let's see who's sitting smart at home and who's sitting smart in class 1. What number is this?
Number 3.
Good boy, number 3. And this one?
1.
Well done. And this one?
0.
And this one?
4.
At home, do you know what this one is? Good job, it's number 5. And this one?
2.
And this one?
13.
Good boy. And this one? Well done, everybody. Give yourselves a round of applause. Today we are learning all about a new number. And this number is 1 more than 13. What is the next number on our number line when we are counting?
14.
Well done! It's the number 14. Where are you hiding? Here it is. Freddy 4 is visiting his favourite city, Venice in Italy. So he decides to invite Tia 10 along so she can present her TV show. Tia 10 thinks it's a great idea. Freddy 4 loves Italian pizzas and would like to make them for the 10-town banquet. He always brings 4 slices of cheese to help him make the pizzas. Tia 10 says that 4 slices are not enough. So she makes the magic cooking pot cook some more. Get your cooking pots out. And she says, cooking pot, help me again. I need more cheese, so give me 10. And then when Tia 10's slices of cheese are added to Freddy 4's slices of cheese, that makes the number 14. And this is a 2-digit number. How many 10s are in the number 14?
10.
How many 10s are in the number 14?
1.
Well done. How many 1s are in the number 14? Do you know at home? Have a think. How many?
4.
4, yes. So there is 1, 10 and 4 1s in the number 14. Let's count how many parts make up the number 14. Ready? 1, 2, 3, slowly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well done, but when we are counting, if you make sure to count slowly, because I know when you're doing your work, you sometimes count wrong because you count too fast and you miss one of the dots. So that's a tip. Count really slow and point to each object as you count. Now when we are writing a number 14, we add Tia 10 and Freddy 4 together to make a number that's even bigger. Before you do your number formation work at home, boys and girls, we will pop on 10-town TV and we will learn a little bit more about the number 14. Have a lovely day, boys and girls.
Everybody, quiet on set. Tia 10, episode 14, take 1. And now it's time for the Tia 10 show. And here is your host, Tia 10.
Hello and welcome to my show.
Before Tia 10 does any cooking, she always washes her hands. And to show all her fingers are clean, she says to the audience,
Give me 10.
And the audience shout back, 10!
Home.
Now you join in at home. Give me 10.
10!
Now it's going to be a great show because today we're on location in the lovely Italian city of Venice. We've come to meet my special guest, Freddie 4. So tell me, what do you want to prepare for the banquet?
As we're in Italy, I'd like to make some lovely Italian pizzas.
So, what have you brought with you?
I've bought 4 slices of cheese.
Oh dear, that's not enough. We'll need to ask my magic cooking pot for help. Can you say the rhyme with me? Cooking pot, help me again. I need more slices of cheese, so give me 10.
When Tia's 10 slices of cheese are added to Freddie's 4 slices of cheese, they make a total of 14 slices of cheese. Tia and Freddie use a variety of toppings to make different types of pizza. They make some with cheese and tomato, called a margherita. And they add tasty meats and vegetables to the others. To make the pizzas easier to eat, Tia and Freddie divide them up into slices. They divide some pizzas into halves, making 2 equal slices. And they cut other pizzas into quarters, making 4 equal slices. Together they make 14 delicious pizzas. Can you say this rhyme with me? Add Tia 10 and Freddie 4 together to make a number that's even bigger. So everybody wave and cheer because the number 14 is here. At the end of every show, Tia sings a song with her band, the Coquettes.
I've been cooking all day long, joining with my adding song. Freddie 4 came on the show with 4 slices of cheese. I said, no, what we need is more.